All right, Zach. Wanted to do a quick video. I'm at UPS tonight and show your new lights. All right, so this is clean the windshield. That's just your regular headlights. And I'm going to use the factory switch over here, and I'm going to turn on the extra, the driving lights. See, Grady aimed them kind of low, like the other ones, like the factory ones that were in your bumper. Those are the outside cube lights. Alright, so now I'm going to shut those off. This is your inside cube light, white. This is the same light, that inside cube light. It also could be amber. This is your light bar. That's pretty bright. And this is your rear lights. I don't know if you could see anything or not. Oh yeah, you can. That's your rear lights. So now I'm going to show you. Okay, that's your rear lights that we were just on. Shut those off. This is your light bar switch. That one doesn't light up all the time because it's got a relay, Grady said, because it's so powerful. Here's your amber lights. And then your other white lights. And then the outside white lights work off the switch, you know, with your factory headlights. I'm going to turn them all on. I can't turn that on, but... And your headlights. Yeah, the rear lights are on. Let me show you. I'm going to go switch those other ones to amber. All right, buddy. Just wanted to show you. Freezing. Bye.